If you want exposure to precious metals beyond gold and silver, platinum and palladium are two powerful alternatives, and you can trade both directly on SuperEx Futures. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the SuperEx app. At the bottom of the screen, tap Futures. On the trading page, tap the trading pair at the top to open the market list. In the search bar, type XPT USDT for platinum or XPD USDT for palladium. Select the USDT perpetual contract. Now you're inside the futures trading interface. Before placing a trade, choose your leverage. Tap the leverage setting next to the pair name. Adjust your leverage level. Lower leverage means lower risk. Higher leverage increases both potential profit and potential loss. Confirm the leverage setting. Next, choose your order type. You can select market order if you want instant execution at the current price, or choose limit order if you want to enter at a specific price. Now decide your direction. If you believe platinum or palladium will go up, tap Open Long. If you believe price will fall, tap Open Short. Enter the amount you want to trade. You can use the percentage slider to allocate your balance quickly. Before confirming, consider setting stop loss and take profit. This helps you manage risk and lock in gains automatically. Once everything is set, tap Confirm. Your position will appear under Positions at the bottom of the screen. From there, you can monitor unrealized P&L, entry price, liquidation price, ROI. To close the position, tap Close and select Market or Limit. That's it. You're now trading platinum and palladium futures on SuperEx. Precious metals markets can move on industrial demand, economic data, inflation expectations, and geopolitical events. So always trade with a plan. Start small, manage risk, trade smart.